Good morning, traders. Welcome. We can broadcast live, give you an idea of what we do, how we look at the markets, how we look for targets, how we look for entry points. We look at things like today's volatility numbers, 149 points. What we're saying is that after the market opens at 9:30 Eastern Time, we should get one or two swings during the day of 149 points in the Dow. Now you figure a full contract is $5 for every tick. That's good money. So just follow along, ask questions, and sign up for our trading room. There's a 3-day free trial. Go to freedomtradingclub.com. Your stops, guys. Next target is 467 on this short. 467. After it hits 467, then I'd move my stop to break even, Bill. Okay? Everybody's short now, right? You guys are short. You're still short, right? 10 minutes until the open. You got your 467, Randy? 467? Good job. Well, hold on for it. Go short and get out at 467. Okay. All right. Well, you can always trade after the open. There you go. Do you get it now, Randy? Stayed flat. All right. No problem. At least you got something. Good job, Bill. Today's another weekday. Ready to start here. 5 seconds. No trading for the first 6 minutes, and then we look for a short. We are open for business. Pro traders wait for the first hook down on the stochastics, okay? Pro traders wait for the first hook down on the stochastics. Have it now, Jeremy. You guys get it? As soon as you see that stochastic turn. Good job. Around that 520, we thought we'd get some selling. Beautiful. Newer traders, you got another 4.5 minutes to wait. But this is what you want. You want that push up and then wham. Okay? As soon as you see it, you'll even see the red here. You see the red right now on the inversion just fired. Remember that dot is going to give you that signal also. You can try it again, guys. As soon as you in other words, you're watching this, right? You watch it go up, watch it go up, watch it go up. And then as soon as you see that hook down, the yellow line, so you grab it and you try to grab your first target. See it? See it turn? And then it's just a matter of managing your trade. You grab one, grab your first target, stop to break even. Comes down again, takes them off. It's the third time. 480 is a good level. Anybody get that? I mean, pretty cool, isn't it? You guys getting it? Wait, 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 wait. As soon as you see that thing go, bam. Anybody not understanding what we're trying to do? Raise your hand. We're waiting for the rally to be over, and as soon as it comes down, you go short. If you'd love to see a great demonstration, come here for a week. I will put on a show that you'll never forget. And the idea is not to forget it so you could duplicate it all the time, over and over and over. I mean, you don't have to. You keep doing what you're doing. But if you want to magically increase your account, okay, let's hold off now because, guys, hold off now because we're not making new lows. We should be breaking the 460 level now. So now there's some support coming in. You notice, even though it's hooking down, it's got to take out these lows. It's got to get down toward this. You see this lower level here? It's got to get into that zone right there. If it doesn't do that, there's a chance it'll go to the upside. So is everybody grab a couple of these trades already? You know, anybody grab a couple of trades? It's an easy question. All right. So then don't push your luck. It's got to start back down again and break some of the support. The support I'm talking about is this 15-minute bar. You see that? The low is 464. So you got to break below that before this stuff continues going down. Otherwise, they've been buying the pullbacks. Remember the 467 we covered? Well, we haven't gone below that, have we? So the market is saying, I'm finding some support there. Once it breaks, once the lows of the morning break, then we'll try for our 287. Otherwise, just relax. Right now, we're in a zone here between 460 and 540. It's not really the biggest zone in the world, but that's where it is. It's relatively tight range. So let it go through this range back and forth. We don't need to catch every tick. Momentum is actually starting up. My suggestion is wait and see if we can get up to, does everybody see this? The 574 area, this zone here. We've tried and played around in this zone, this buying zone. Now let's see how far it can go to the upside, okay? Yes? No? In other words, we call this don't go too many times to the well. Somebody may have peed in it. Go to another well. As a matter of fact, there's probably some good stops above 536. In other words, 537 would run some stops on the upside. Anyone want to try that? A breakout above 536 is short-term bullish. A break above 536 is short-term bullish. Coming down now, but the momentum is up. So it's more, and the tape is weak, but it's saying that we could be running the stops on all those traders who are short. All those traders who are short right now, if you look here, look, the high on that swing up was 534, then 536. Each time it's gotten up there, it's come down, but it's not able to make a new low. So it's either going to make a new low or it's going to make a new high, right? Yes? Everybody's flat right now, correct? And just waiting. Wait, relax, wait for the next move. If you look at a 133 tick chart, the thing is psychopathic, going up and down. But if you look at a bigger term chart, it's just in a range. And just whatever it did before doesn't mean it has to do it again. Let the market show you who's in control. Are the bulls in control or the bears? Well, if it goes above 536, for now, for the next 10 minutes or so, the bulls would be in control. If we get below 460, the bears will be in control. So, you see this 15-minute bar right here. Let them battle it out right in here, this bar. Let them battle it out and see who wins. Does that make sense? Don't look at what has happened before. Who cares that it went down? Now, this is the one you're looking at. There you go. Now, if you go long, where do you think your next target would be? 550, right? About 550. So then it would break through the upper region, right? And move toward 550, right? Let's see if that happens. Is 30 offered, 31 offered at 550. How about that, huh? So now the shorts are in trouble. Takes them off. Still could come up to that selling area that we've been watching, right? At 577. Everybody see that? Order filled. Anybody take that long trade? Order filled. All right, we have one of our traders done for the day. Shifu's done for the day on the long side. How many are still long? Jeremy, did you take the long side? You know, we got to be flexible, guys. Got to be flexible. All right, lactic acid. Good job. It's just watching the market. That's all. Earlier, the market looked weak. Now it looks strong. Got to be able to make adjustments. We put this shading area up when? An hour ago. How did we know? We didn't know. We just remember. What's the volatility number? What was the volatility number? 149, right? Yeah. It's got to show me weakness before we. Good job, Charles. That's how we do it. It's got to show me weakness before I want to go back in and short heavily. And what is weakness? Yeah, 33,602. Write that number down, guys. You don't need a calculator. Just write that number down. 33,602. I would look to start shorting around there if I can, or if you've been long, if you've been on the long side, That would you definitely want to be out at 602 if you're long. And why would the market start back down at 602? Well, because people who bought the low, that's pretty good profit. Imagine if you had enough vision to say, nope, this is as low it's going to go. It's only going to go down to 459, right? Now, I don't do that. I don't predict the markets, but there are gurus who do. They're really smart. They're not really smart guys. They just have $1 billion ahead of them. So when they start buying short term, the market will not go down. These algos control the market. So let's say the guy who programmed the algo says 459, that's it. We start buying, $500 million worth of stock. Well, that's it. It's not going to go any lower. Yeah, mark it on your chart, guys. Here, I'll do it for you in case it gets up there. I mean, we've got this, right? You got this area. So let's actually put now, will it exactly go there? It may not. But what if it comes near and then goes down again? Do you think you'd understand why it would be going down? That's all. Control F6, right? You leave it there as a reference. Yep. Yeah, the jolts is at 10, guys. It's one of the things. And various Fed speakers come on during the day. So here, I got a good reason for you, Bill, right? Everybody likes a reason. Maybe they're short covering because they're afraid that the jolts or so might be slightly bullish and no one wants to get trapped. Maybe it's going to be bearish and they want it higher so they could short it. We don't know why the market does what it does. But you know what I know? Great question, Andrew. You wait, you treat them all like they could be volatile, and then you react toward the movement. That's the key. You don't predict what's going to happen. Now, once in a while, the best way, really, how do the institutions do it? Um, they do surveys. So really, you could do well. Again, I don't want to let the whole world know our secrets. But let's put it this way: get about 20 PhDs in economics, have them do a survey, and give you the report an hour before the report comes out. Then you'll know. That's how they do it. Here we go. Isn't that amazing? 609. And you might be the guru, Bill. Yeah, and if you don't have your team of PhDs, all right, are you short now? You guys short? Cover some here. 609 was the short. Sell, sell, sell. Cover at between. You want to cover between 81 and 65. 81 and 65 is your cover area on this, okay? Now, how did we know it was going to go to 609? Because that's the volatility number. Isn't that amazing? Volatility is a very important factor in the market. Takes them off. How many sold short at 33,609? How many shorted at 33,609? Pretty good. Now, don't you feel like a guru? Shifu, don't you feel like a guru? Now go flat. Jeremy, go flat. Beautiful. Good job. All right, I'm going to turn off our YouTube because I don't want to give away so many free calls that everybody makes money and they don't have to pay me. They just sit on their freaking YouTube and trade away and make a lot of money, and I get zilch. So sorry, YouTubers. I hope you got one. Hey, guess what? If you took these trades, YouTubers, you now can sign up for a month. Take the free trial, sign up for a month, make more money, come back again, rinse and repeat. And any of you YouTubers who enjoy this, first of all, subscribe. Second of all, click on the buttons. I don't know how to do all the buttons, but they're there, and make money. Any questions? Great. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.